6. Is the use of contraceptives justified? Give reason. Is it justified? Yes, using contraceptive is obviously justified, and the reasons are like this. Yes, use of contraceptive is justified because it helps in control of rapid growth of human population. Okay. There's also one more thing to add to this answer, and that is it also helps in preventing unwanted pregnancies, STDs, and will be controlled. Also, ideal contraceptive should be effective and reversible. So when a couple wants to have a baby, they can have a baby and they just have to stop taking contraceptive with assisted medical advice. But there's one thing to be noted. Removal of gonads is not considered or cannot be considered as a contraceptive method, as they cannot be replaced when necessary. So removal of gonads means in males removal of testes and in females removal of ovary and other organs inside, other reproductive organs inside. So that is a surgical method, and usually surgical methods are not reversible. And so removal of gonads cannot be considered as contraceptive method. Contraceptive should be preventive and effective as well as reversible. Okay, students? So just keep this point in your mind. This point here. This is important. Okay? So with this we come to an end of question number 6.